In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily switch to a slow-mo mode on a camera on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Camera app. And then basically all we have to do in order to switch to Slo-Mo is just find it at that toolbar. It is located at the left position next to time-lapse and cinematic. After that, once you find Slo-Mo mode, you can switch between lenses on your device. iPhone 15 Pro got 3 different lenses here, and we can easily switch between them by tapping at that buttons. And then once you are ready, all you have to do is just tap at that button to start taking your Slo-Mo video. Once you are done with that, tap at stop to stop recording a video. For about a half of a second, the video will be recorded in normal mode, and after that, the Slo-Mo will be activated. So if we tap right here, we can immediately see the result. That's how it looks like. And basically, guys, that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.